Okay. I had to pop my head out for a minute. I ain't been on the camera in a while. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I starting to feel like, you know what I'm saying, I was losing it. Had to pop my head out. So what's going on is the book was supposed to have been out March 4th. It got pushed back to the 26th. Um, I'm out here. I'm learning patience right now. I'm learning patience right now. Like I'm ready to get my book in my hand. I'm ready just to go hardcore with it. I mean, but starting this game off, I had to learn patience. I had to learn how to just let things come to me. You know what I'm saying? And that's a very hard thing for me to do. That's a very hard thing for me to do. But I'm definitely learning it right now. But when they get in my hands, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Look, I even vowed that I'm not getting my hair cut until the book comes out. Yo, y'all didn't see me bummy the last couple of times, but you gonna see me really get amped once this book come out. Like, I'm gonna give you something new, something different. I'm selling, I'm marketing. Patience. Patience better be patient. Let's rock, baby.